Today, I'll walk you through creating a stunning logo shine effect right in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Effects panel. Look for the Lighting Effects option and drag it onto your logo or icon clip. Once the layer is selected, head over to the Effects Controls panel. Adjust the ambiance intensity to 100 under the Lighting Effects tab. Now, let's add a mask to create the shine effect. Click on the Rectangle tool to create a rectangle mask. Drag it over your logo, starting from where you want the shine effect to begin. Stretch the rectangle mask to cover the area you'd like to shine. Once the mask is in place, head back to the Effects panel. Keyframe the mask path to animate the shine effect. Set the keyframes to mark the beginning and end of the effect. As the effect plays out, click on Mask 1 to reveal the mask path. Then, return to the preview window and drag the mask to cover the entire shape, creating a shimmering shine effect. For added flair, experiment with the face control settings to customize the look further. And there you have it! A captivating logo shine effect created right within Premiere Pro. Enjoy exploring the possibilities with this technique.